Hey there, fellow health enthusiasts. Join us, Mohammed Asfar, online fitness and nutrition coach, as we embark on a journey of discovering the incredible world of natural electrolyte solutions and the powerful impact they have on our bodies. In this insightful video, we'll dive into the essential role of electrolytes, their effects on your health, and the amazing foods that can help you maintain the perfect balance. Unlock the power of electrolytes. Understanding electrolytes. Delve into the fascinating world of electrolytes, nutrients that carry an electric charge, essential for the proper functioning of your tissues, nervous system, and muscles. Identifying electrolyte imbalance. Discover the telltale signs of electrolyte imbalance, from fatigue to muscle twitches and more. Uncover how these imbalances can arise from factors like diet changes and dehydration. Navigating electrolyte risks. Learn about risk factors that can throw your electrolyte levels out of whack, such as transitioning to a low-carb diet, using diuretics, and even excessive sweating. Your arsenal of electrolyte balancing solutions. Clean electrolyte supplement. Explore the benefits of the Light Show Electrolyte Supplement, an easy-to-use, clean option for restoring balance with potassium, sodium, and magnesium. Magnesium Mastermind. Discover the power of Relax and Regulate, a magnesium bisglycinate formula that helps alleviate keto flu symptoms and promotes relaxation, aiding in better sleep. Embrace quality salt. Learn how incorporating real, quality salt into your diet can significantly contribute to maintaining proper electrolyte levels, especially on low-carb diets. Nourishing bone broth. Embrace the natural electrolyte-rich goodness of bone broth, a versatile source of sodium and potassium that supports your neuromuscular system. Wholesome electrolyte-rich foods. Chloride-rich greens. Dive into the world of greens like spinach and lettuce, packed with chloride to aid in maintaining electrolyte balance. Potassium-powered avocado. Discover how avocados, with their high potassium content, offer a tasty and nutrient-rich addition to your electrolyte balancing arsenal. Calcium-boosting yogurt. Explore how yogurt, besides being rich in calcium, delivers a wholesome package of probiotics and protein. Sip the citrus magic, lemon limeade recipe. Join us in whipping up a delicious and refreshing lemon limeade, a homemade electrolyte balancing beverage bursting with flavor and goodness. With a splash of citrus and a pinch of quality salt, this delightful drink is perfect for quenching your thirst and maintaining electrolyte harmony. Benefits await. Educational insights. Gain a deeper understanding of electrolytes and their pivotal role in your overall health. Practical solutions. Equip yourself with natural strategies to restore and maintain electrolyte balance. Flavorful recipes. Delight in the tangy goodness of our lemon limeade recipe, a hydrating and flavorful way to support your well-being. Enhanced well-being. By incorporating electrolyte balancing solutions and foods into your routine, you can enjoy improved energy, muscle function, and overall vitality. So, whether you're diving into keto or simply seeking optimal health, join us in unraveling the mysteries of electrolytes. Refreshing lemon limeade. Quench your thirst with this revitalizing lemon limeade, a zesty and invigorating drink that's as hydrating as it is delicious. Packed with the goodness of citrus and a touch of sweetness, it's the perfect way to support your well-being and stay refreshed. Ingredients. 3 lemons. Juiced 2 limes. Juiced 4 cups cold filtered water 2-3 tablespoons. Raw honey. Adjust to taste. Pinch of high-quality sea salt. Ice cubes, lemon and lime slices. Garnish fresh mint leaves. Don't forget to like, comment, and share your electrolyte experiences with us. Get ready to embrace a more balanced and vibrant you. Cheers to good health.